Let me show you how to fix your iPhone if it's not ringing for incoming calls. If friends or family are calling you and your phone stays silent, this will fix it. Before we dive in, if this helps, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. Step 1. Swipe down from the top right corner and turn airplane mode on. Wait about 5 seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to the network. Make sure you have at least one signal bar. No signal means no ringing. Still not working? Move on. Step 2. Check sound settings. Go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics. Turn ringer and alerts all the way up. If this is low or muted, your phone can ring and you'll never hear it. Now tap ringtone and make sure it's not set to none. No ringtone equals no sound. Simple as that. Step 3. Announce calls setting. Go to Settings, then Phone, then Announce Calls. Set this to Always. If it's on Never, your iPhone won't announce calls, even when it rings. Step 4. Refresh your eSIM. Go to Settings, then Cellular. Turn your SIM off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. You'll see the signal drop and reconnect. This fixes a ton of silent call issues. Step 5. Check Focus or Do Not Disturb. Swipe down from the top right again. If Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is on, turn it off. These modes silently block calls all the time. This is a huge reason phones don't ring. Last resort, force restart. This fixes random iOS bugs more often than Apple wants to admit. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button. Ignore slide to power off. Keep holding until you see the screen go black. Release only when you see the Apple logo. That's a force restart. If your iPhone wasn't ringing before, it should now.